morning, students. Today we are going to see the exercise standard 7, lesson number 2, sorting and filtering data in MS Excel. In this, we are going to see exercise. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. First fill in the blank is dash rearranges the given data in a specified order. That answer is sorting. Sorting rearranges the data in a specified order. Means sorting can arrange the data in ascending order or descending order that is selected by the user. User means who is seated in front of the computer. Next fill in the blank is we can find the button in dash group of data tab. Which button? It is not given here. It is actually sort and filter button. That button we get in the sort and filter group of data tab. When you want to sort any data or filter any data, then you have to click that button in the data tab. So this button is available in the group of sort and filter. Now next fill in the blank is the dash feature of MS Excel helps us to selectively block out data that we don't want to see. So answer is filter. Answer is filter feature help us to selectively block out data that we don't want to see. It means filter hiding the data temporarily and showing the data, whatever data we want to see. That is the use of filter. Then again we can take all data by using filter. So whatever data we want to see on the screen of computer, that much data we can keep there by using filter option. Now next is dash does not rearrange the range of data. It only hides temporarily the rows or columns that we don't want to display. Same thing in the blank is given, but in another words it is given. So answer is filter. Filter only does not rearrange the data in ascending or descending order. It only temporarily hides the data which we don't want to see. Whatever data we want to see, that data gets displayed on the screen. Now last one is dash formatting sets a cells format according to the condition specified by the user. Answer is conditional format. Conditional formatting sets cells format. Cells format means suppose we want color format numbers which are less than 35. Suppose students is failing math subject, then we want to display it in red color. Then we can give the condition less than 35 and we can set the format as a red color for that number. So by using conditional formatting, we can set the formats according to the condition specified by the user, specified by the us who is sitting in front of computer. They can give the condition. Now we are going to see the next question. Question B. Answer the following questions. First question is, what do you understand by the term sorting of data? Sorting allows us to rearrange the given data in a specified order. In a specified order means either in ascending order or descending order. We can write the answer. Sorting allows us to rearrange given data in a specified order. Now, what is data filtering? Data filtering is used to selectively block out the data that we don't want to see, or we can say whatever data we want to see, that data we can select and that data will be present on the screen. So anyhow we can write the answer. Filtering help us to selectively block out data that we don't want to see. Now the third question is, what is the difference between filtering and sorting? We have the answers. Filtering answer is here and the sorting answer is here. So we can write both the answer as a difference of filtering and sorting. So we can write here answer of question 1 and question 2. Now next is, what is conditional formatting? What is conditional formatting? By using conditional formatting, we can give the condition and we can give the cells format according to the condition as we want. Now we can write conditional formatting cells format according to the condition specified by the user. It is called as a conditional formatting. Instead of specified, you can write given by the user. Anyhow, you can write. So this is the answer of question number 4. Now we are in the next question. Question number 5 is, what is the use of conditional formatting? We can write the answer. It is used to prepare a result in that we can show the marks which are less than 35 in a red color. So this is the condition, less than 35, and the format of the box or format of the number is red color. So by using conditional formatting, we can easily find out which students getting the less than 35 marks which are failing in that subject. Question number C, we are going to see now. Write 3 for true and F for false for the following statements. First one is, rearranging the data in a cells in a specific order is called formatting. When we rearrange the data in a specified order, means in the ascending order or descending order, then it is called as a sorting. It is not called as a formatting. That's why it is false. Second one sentence, filter is a feature that selectively blocks out data the user doesn't want to see. The data which user don't want to see, the data gets hid by the filter. It means filter block out the data that user don't want to see. That's why it is true. Now the next one is conditional formatting is a feature that sets the sales format according to the condition specified by the user. So this is true because by using conditional formatting only we can set the condition. Suppose condition is less than 35 and the sales format is that number will get a red color, that is the format that we can set, and after setting we can get the marks. Those having less than 35 they will get the red color. So this one is true. Now we are going to see the next fourth and fifth one. Fourth one statement is we can define two or more conditions at the same time in the conditional formatting dialog box. So it is false, so we cannot specify two or more conditions at a time. Only one condition we can specify in a dialog box. Now the next one is we cannot format cells that have a value less than a certain number. We can format the value which is less than 35, which is less than 40, which is less than 50. It is a certain number, so we can format them, we can give a red color or any color as we want. So this is also false. Thank you very much.